Hey guys, welcome back. Come on, pull through. Okay, rejecting this area, guys, and push lower, so I need to be careful here. Yeah, guys, I guess it's just one of those days. I'm just truly not feeling, I guess, the emotional excitement about trading this market today. It's just chopping, not giving me any kind of setups or whatever case is so far. So this is the part of trading to where you just, be patient. Something will unfold eventually, maybe later on in the day, whatever case is, but I just don't want to, jump into trades. Back to the channel, this is Future Trading with Mike, and this morning we are looking again at the emini S&P 500 futures, guys. That's the ES, which is a derivative of the major index, the S&P 500. Okay, so I always like to start off by thanking everyone who has subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't already hit that little bell icon, guys, please take the time to go ahead and hit that little bell icon there. That's the post notification. Make sure you got all your post notifications turned on so that you never miss one of the uploads. If it's your first time watching one of the videos, go ahead, watch the video. There's tons of other videos on the channel, guys, with good content. Hopefully you find some value in it. I am a price action trader. This is my live recorded session of trading the ES each and every day. I actually posted 2 videos yesterday, so go back and watch those if you haven't done so. But yeah, loads of valuable content. Basically show you the strategy that I use each and every day to profit from the ES, or you can use it on any particular market. I primarily trade the future market, so something I love to trade. So, but yeah, if this is your first time watching one of the videos, however you found the channel, please take the time to go ahead and sub to the channel here and join the team here over at Future Trading with Mike, guys. This is my live recorded sessions. I try to trade and post my sessions 5 days a week, guys. Sometimes I even post 6 days a week. Typically on Saturdays, I'll maybe do I don't know, maybe an information type based video covering some content surrounding trading. But outside of that, let's go ahead and jump into the video. And you guys already know what I like to do, those who've been following the channel. And I'm going to show you one thing that I noticed overnight into the overnight session that would have been an excellent trade setup as well. I've been putting some thoughts into about maybe not doing as far as going in and doing videos on live trading, because trading, you really have to be focused and 100% tuned into what you're doing. And I don't need any anything taken away from me when I'm trading during my sessions, guys. All the chatter to the side, the comments and things like that. I need to be 100% focused, and this is why I do my reliable recorded sessions and post them to my channel, so that way you guys can see some content. You can see my trades. You can see I explain to you why I took the trades. But what I'm thinking about doing is maybe, I don't know, maybe kind of like a live, maybe pre-market type thing before the market opens up, kind of giving you an inside perspective of what I'm looking for, maybe before the session opens up, and maybe marking off or taking a look at some levels, just kind of suggesting some areas, not telling you to take those trades, but we'll see. I don't know. It's just a thought. But if you like the idea, maybe kind of doing some pre-market stuff, discussion about me discussing, what I look for on the higher time frame and what I could possibly look for once the market opens up. Trading from certain zones and certain areas. So kind of give you a precursor to some levels that I may be looking at. So anyways, if you like that idea, drop me a comment in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you guys. But let's go ahead and jump into the video. It is currently 9:55, 9:56 right now. We'll take a look at the higher time frame, which is the 60 range for me. So yeah, we've been breaking to the upside, continuing to making higher highs and higher lows, pushing up, testing new areas of resistance. We have a high today sitting up here at, let's just say 83, 44, 83. So let's see here. Is price breaking this area right here? Yes, it's already broken this high right here from these little highs right here from, I don't know, February to something, maybe the 15, 16, 17. Looks like maybe the 17th of February. Okay. So now we are bumping up against an area. We'll go out here. An area of resistance sitting in this area right here where this price was swinging to the downside. But this swing here, it falls within a major swing right here. Okay, so this is a big colossal swing to the downside right here, and we're bumping up against some area of resistance. So with that said, we probably could. Let's do this. I'm gonna take a line, one of these markers right here. Let's grab that, and we will move it. This is an area right here. I think price is already breaking this area here at 73. So price could actually pull up into this area. Let's see. I don't want to be, yeah. This area right here. With this high volume notice, that matter of fact, this high volume area right here at 45, excuse me, 44.95 area. So sitting up in this area right here. This is demand, guys. I mean, excuse me, this is supply sitting up here. So yeah, price could push down, pull back, and then push lower, okay? I mean, I'm sorry, guys. Now, what I'm trying to say is that the price could retrace back to this area, reject out of this area right here, okay? This is what we look at on the lower time frame and start seeing a structure broken to the downside. So basically what I'm saying is price is approaching that area now, okay? Up there around 95, 94 area, okay? All right, so this is, supply sitting in this area right here. And this is an area where price could typically bounce from, or look for an area of rejection, look for some rejection, and maybe start looking for some shorts. So, so we'll see what happens. We'll see if we can get some rejection in this area. There's a small little level sitting right here. We'll mark that as well. I think price is bumping up against it right now. But right now we're in a low volume area here. So price can reject out of this low volume area, and we can push it to the downside as well. So we'll see. I'm just kind of marking some areas. I need to see what price is. Okay, so right here is where we're at now, which was that area I just showed you right here. But price can retrace a little bit higher and come up and hit this high volume area. So we'll see what happens. And I do want to show you an entry that could have been taken. Nice entry, matter of fact. I mentioned one yesterday in the second video I posted yesterday. All right. Price pull is back right here. Okay. Area demand rejects. And that's why I put that arrow right there, because I knew price would come for and test this area right here. So if you would have gotten to this trade, the break would say 28 to the upside. You could have taken this trade up to probably about 37.5, 38. That could have been a 9-10 point run right there, guys. Then the market pushes up. This is going to the close of yesterday. The market pushes up, okay, makes a new high right here and going into the overnight session, okay, and then it pulls back, okay, all right, pulls back to an area of demand down here, all right. If you would have gotten to this trade right here, roughly around about 9, let's say 9:15, I don't know, somewhere between 9 and 9:15, right here, you could have gotten to this trade. Now, got into the trade here, taking it maybe around 38, could have. Price push up, the test 42, picked up maybe 4 points there, 3 or 4 points there. Then you could have gotten back into the trade with the price pulled back, okay? And then what did it do? It broke higher, okay? All right, it broke higher. You could take the trade back up to basically the highs right here. So this was another good opportunity right here, okay? Because price pulled back and touched an area, tested an area of demand there. So another good area. I wasn't trading and looking at that area last night, so it is what it is. We'll go ahead and start at some areas today. But yeah, the trade right here, I took this trade yesterday at 3 o'clock yesterday. I know we don't trade in afternoon sessions, like I said in the video, that second video I posted yesterday. But I did. I saw that setup, got into it. Boom, price pushes higher. Another setup right here you could have got into, and then rolled the market up. So hey, the market's been bullish. I mean, even Delta showing you, all this buying going on. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wait it out and see what happens here, guys. What time is it? It's currently 10 o'clock right now. So, price is in an area where it can actually bounce from. I already showed you guys that reject from up in this area right here. So we'll just sit back and wait. It is, like I said, it's at this high volume area here. It could, retrace up to this area, bounce, and then, push lower. So we'll just wait. All right, so price has hit that area I was talking about. Okay, see. Yeah, it hit that area. We got a little rejection there, that area off the 60 range. Broke higher, pull back. Let's see what it does because it pulled up here, hit that area, broke structure, swinging down, made a low here. So let's see if it's going to follow back up and make another low. Like a lower low, I should say. So that was that area I talked about, that area of resistance up there, off of 60 range, sitting up there at 90. So um, I'll show it to you guys again. It's that high volume area, this right here. You see it, price gets up there, right there at that line. So pretty much around it's hitting off 92.5. So it could push higher. I'm not saying it can't, but it's going to struggle because it does have some resistance there. That big mountain of volume sitting right there. Not saying it can't push higher, but so right now this morning, since the market's opened up, if we look at the 12 range, which we will, it does like it maybe trying to push higher, but it can reject from that area. Market opened up somewhere in this area here. So basically all it's been doing is swinging to the upside here. Trying to see if there was an area potentially where we could have got into maybe something. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm not sure 100%. No, I mean to me, excuse me, kind of stretching. Yeah, I haven't taken any trades so far this morning, guys. So I'm not sure how the day's going to unfold. Like if it's going to keep blasting to the upside, if we're going to get any pullbacks, retracements, or anything. So um, I may have to start digging a little deeper, look at the charts from a higher time frame, kind of look at some areas. The market doesn't want to kind of reject and then push lower and start giving us some structure to the downside to pull back on. So we'll see what happens. Okay. So let me kind of reclarify that. Looks like this area is actually from the 11th of February. This area of resistance right here. So we'll look at the 12 range and see if we can possibly. So this is the 18th. Let's see if we can find the price. There it is. All right, so we're sitting right here in this area right here. Okay, so this is on the 12 range chart. And let's see. Um, man, what's this thing doing? 90. I'm not sure. Hmm. Yeah, we have to be careful here because we got areas of support right below it. Hmm. Yeah, just waiting to see what it's going to do. It's not doing, just swinging to the upside, small little highs and pulling back, and so it's just chopping. Okay, so price is pulling back right now. Um, we are bouncing off of, where's price at? Trying to see where it's at on the higher time. Okay, the 60 range chart. Yeah, so we're starting hitting this in this area here, right at the top of this high volume area here, right around the 98 area, 99. We did push a little higher than that, but this is an area of resistance right here. Price is bouncing off of, and it's pulling back to an area of support right now. So we have to be mindful here. Not sure. Price has just been chopping to the upside. I haven't really gotten any decent pullbacks to do anything with. I think I'll wait to see a price and come back down to maybe like 94 area, 94 and a half. Maybe we get a little rejection right here, take a little scalp back up to the upside, but we'll see because we'll be trading on pullback back into an area of resistance. So we'll see what happens here. Price, I'm talking about this area right here. So we'll see what happens. Hmm. It's quite difficult today, guys, trading. Price is really not giving us any pullbacks. We're kind of just breaking to the upside. It's bouncing off resistance, and I like to see it come. If we can get it pushed, come down maybe to around 94, or maybe even lower. So yeah. So we'll see what happens. Mm. So we're bouncing off, like I said, resistance. You can see it on the 24 range, as it's also, I showed you on the 60 range, but it's also a round number 4,500, so price is bouncing there. Um, yeah, so I'm looking to see if we can get a pullback some kind of way. Lower end of the top volume area here, maybe down to 94, maybe take it back up. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see, kind of wait it out and see what happens here. But yeah, if it does reject this area here, it'd be nice, maybe a possible trade, or maybe to come down to this area down here around 80, maybe a little lower, 78, 79. We'll see. Yeah, guys, I guess it's just one of those days. I'm just truly not feeling, I guess, the emotional excitement about trading this market today. It's just chopping, not giving me any kind of setups or whatever case is so far. So this is the part of trading to where you just, be patient. Something will unfold eventually, maybe later on in the day, whatever case is. But I just don't want to, jump into trades, and like take any kind of damage to my account or whatever the case is. I just be patient. That's all it is. If I can't get into a good trade setup, a good area to trade from, then I won't take it. I'm not going to push myself just to kind of take the risk of losing something when I know that, it may have been an iffy situation and I may just take a loss. I'm not doing that. You can look at Delta. Delta right now is not doing anything that price is doing. Delta is moving in the opposite direction, and this could be a sign that price wants to continue pushing higher because, I mean, Delta is red to the downside, lots of sell orders coming in, price is not moving in the same direction. So, we got two different things going on here. I mean, I'm not saying price can't flip and push to the downside, but right now, with all these sell orders coming in and Delta not flipping to the price not flipping to the downside, moving to the downside, this could just be, kind of sellers may give up and the buyers just may take back control and push up. So there's kind of probably a fighting situation kind of going on here. So, but when I see something like that happen, when the two aren't matching up, and I don't put too much weight on Delta. I look at it, to kind of maybe as maybe a third means of confluency in a sense, or a fourth means. I don't put it as placing as priority over my trading at all. Okay, so I trade price action. I trade You know, looking at purely price pulling back to levels that make sense for me to trade from, and waiting for the rejection to happen. So my higher time frame showing me one thing, and then my lower time frame chart kind of following suit with that. So it's this is how I trade. I'm a price action trader. So right now the market's not doing anything, and I'm just going to stand down right now. I'm just not feeling the excitement about trading or scalping this market right now until I see a setup. So what happens now? Prices can bounce right here, and but just not enough to take a solid trade from. To be honest with you, not one bit. Not one bit, guys. Because price came up, made a high here, turn back around. Okay, made a low, pull back, made a low here, breaking this little swing low right here on the way up here. So there's not much room to do anything with. I'm gonna be 100% fair and honest with you. This stupid market is crazy. Um, yeah, what's going on here? I was in a trade and just for a quick scalp in the market. I'm not sure here. Yeah, just scalping real quick, just for a few ticks. I know it's gonna bust right here or stop right here. Come on, hit that. Come on. 650. Yeah, I'm just gonna scalp this real quick and get out. Mm, ah, just not enough room, guys. Not enough meat on the table there. Come on. There we go. All right. Quick little scalp right there. I know that price is come back up to the high volume node right there. So just scalping real quick. You got to know what price is trying to do, even in small little zones like that. Okay. Um, today is the 22nd of March, guys. All right. Now it can push lower, which would be, I like to see it come down maybe to around, like I said, 80, 78, somewhere around there. Hmm. So trades. Okay. So now let's see here. Yeah, not much there. Just a little seven ticks right there, real quick, in and out. A little scout. Not much. Um, yeah, be careful here. I mean, the market's just tight today. So the price finally kind of follows suit with Delta a little bit, but you can see Delta's actually broke lows on the way down. Price hasn't quite done that. So be careful. I mean, there's a lot more. It's like a lot of selling came in, but price is not really following right behind Delta is strong. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. I really like to see price come back down to this area right here. Um, yeah, be very careful here. Be careful. Okay, I'm in for a quick little scalp. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Price hitting up, rejecting off of it. All right, I'm scalping real quick. Just to this area right here, guys. Just this area here. Price can't pull a little higher here, so um, we got 93. Yeah, yeah, be careful right here. It could come up here to 98, right in this area here. So, but it can reject here and fold back to the downside. Now, price could push a little higher up in this area here. This would be a nice little area of, that resistance right here. And it could be a little short. Not sure yet, but we'll see. I would like to see it push a little higher though. Yeah, yeah. So market pushed a little higher here, so pulling back. But I don't like this area right here because it can just pull. It's rejecting right here at the top of this high volume area, and it can pull right back down to this area here. So meaning it could just pull back to this area and then turn back around and push higher. So man, the market is just it's tight. It's not moving, uh, giving us any kind of good setup. So you just be patient. That's all you can do. Yeah, we're just chopping sideways right now, but it looks like it may want to try to push higher here. So let's be careful here, because it can definitely push higher. Definitely push higher. And let's see, break these highs right here. Okay, so we'll hold off. It breaks these highs here, meaning breaks and pull us back. Then we can look for maybe pull back entry um, to trade. But you got to be careful even on a pullback because we take a pullback on a break to the ups, price breaks to the upside, take a pullback, then all we'll be doing is taking a pullback trade back up to supply, back into an area of resistance. So, all right, so price has continued to chop to the upside here. We actually broke above, let's see, 45.02 and a half pretty much. So, um, let me see here. So yeah, price is trying to push higher, but we have to be careful because we are still in the area. We have all this area of resistance above. So let's see what happens here. All right, so price is still bouncing and rejecting. It came up to 45.06. Yep, area here. Um, price can reject that in this area right here. Okay, so that's area of resistance. Price is pulling back. So I'm not sure. I like to see it come down, maybe uh, pull its way back down to maybe 45,100, 4,500, and maybe get a bounce there, or maybe pull a little lower. So let's just wait and see. All right, price pulling back to the POC. Don't let the trader on the point of control. Um, we are pulling back, so tough area here. Yeah, No, I don't know if this is 4,500. 550. Yeah, I don't really like this area. Don't like it. Don't like it. Mm-mm. Price still breaking lower, huh? Okay. I'm long. Come on. Um, Price can come down just a tad bit lower here. Going long for point on this entry, and I am running out of patience trading today. Hopefully, we get some rejection, and hopefully, this candle here doesn't close to the downside. It rejects this area and pushes higher, at least coming back up to 4,500. So come on. Um, yeah, hopefully we get some follow through. I get grab this point real quick on the ES. Then we'll come back up to the PLC here. So hopefully we get the balance here. I pick up this quick little point here on two contracts, and I'm gonna close it out close it out for the session for right now, guys. I may look at the market a little later, but right now, I just don't like the pace of the market. This is a pullback to an area of support. So yeah, hopefully we get this little bounce to the upside here. Not sure. I just don't want to see this candle close red to the downside. Come on. Stop teetering around like that. Just gonna wait it out. It's doing what I don't want it to do. Look at it. Ah, it's not what I wanted to see it do. This market is driving me crazy today. Come on, pull through. Okay, rejecting this area, guys, and push lower. So I need to be careful here. Come on, fill the order. There we go. All right, we finally got filled there. All right. All right, so I picked up that point there on those two contracts. Price broke below this little swing right here. It kind of bothered me a little bit, but it pulled back to the POC. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this session right now for maybe look at the market a little later. But I appreciate everyone tuning in and watching the video this morning, guys. Not too much going on the ES. We just kind of chopped to the upside. Mentioned the market open up around here and just been not much. I mean, just making these little higher highs and higher lows, not getting any really good area to trade from. Maybe you guys have, but I just haven't seen it. The way I trade, I just don't, I haven't seen it offer me up anything that I really still able to make a profit. But still, at the end of the day, my patience was running thin with the ES today. So I'm going to take a break and we'll see what happens. That's the way it goes sometimes. Not every day is going to be a extremely good day to where you can, trade for an hour, get in, get out, and be done with it. So right now it's currently, and we're approaching, I guess, probably the 12 o'clock time frame. Yes, 11:40 right now. Typically, I'm already done, so still up, good, doing good for today. But I just want to go ahead and take a breather, take a break, and maybe kind of see if the market can kind of, show me some better moves. All right. So if it's your first time watching one of the videos, guys, please take the time to go ahead and sub to the channel. I appreciate that. Hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell icon, that post notification, and that will ensure that you never miss one of the uploads. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. If I catch anything today, anything else that's I see that's a good move, I'll let you know. Take care. See you in the next one.